Hello babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to properly make aloe vera oil. So for this aloe vera oil, I'll be going with olive oil as my carrier oil. Also get some aloe vera. You can use any quantity that you want. So I'll start by cutting out the scales by the sides. Trust me, you don't want to use this part.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
We all know how good aloe vera oil is for the hair. It hydrates the hair, it serves as a moisturizer. So guys, this is something you should add to your list of hair care products. Okay, so now I'm done cutting out the scales from the sides. I'm going to dice my aloe vera. This way it will be easier for me to blend it into a smooth paste. Aloe vera has a lot of benefits. Aloe vera can draw moisture into your hair from your environment, and it can also prevent moisture loss from your hair. Aloe vera can protect your hair from ultraviolet radiation. Aloe vera can strip excess oils from your hair and your skin, and most importantly, aloe vera can grow your hair like crazy. So now I'm going to be blending my aloe vera with my olive oil. This is the blended aloe vera. Then I'll go ahead and get a dry pan. You can use a pot for this, but I'm using this non-stick pan. Then pour my aloe vera, blended aloe vera, into the pan. And I'm going to do this on a very low heat, guys. You don't want the heat to be medium or high. Then I decided to add some olive oil in order to make it, more oily. This is me stirring it, and after stirring it, I'll allow it to cool. Then I'll get a sieve and then sieve out the aloe vera oil from the mixture.
I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted.
I'll leave the other benefits of aloe vera oil to the head down below, guys, so you make sure you go down and read it up.
With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my.
So this is me using my wooden spatula to squeeze out the oil from the aloe vera. You can always use this remaining residue for your hair mask. You don't need to throw it away. There are lots of stuff that you can use it to do. You can also use it as a face mask, or you can throw it away, whatever makes you feel happy. So guys, if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below and share it with your friends. We all know sharing is caring. Thank you. So I'll go ahead and add my vitamin E oil as an antioxidant. Trust me guys, this is actually very optional. I just like doing this for all my hair oils. You can use any other antioxidant for this. Then I'll stir it for it to mix together. Then I'll get a well sterilized airtight container and then transfer the homemade aloe vera oil. Guys, look at how sweet and beautiful this oil looks. If you look closely, you will see water separated beneath the oil. Okay guys, let's move on to the next phase. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. This is my DIY aloe vera oil. Apply this on your scalp, apply it on your hair. Guys, this makes the hair very smooth and it grows hair, it strengthens the scalp. Let me give you guys a secret to using oils, okay? When using oils, you have to pair it with moisturizer. So if you don't have a leave-in conditioner, please make sure you get one, okay? Using only oil on your hair and then your hair not getting a whole lot of moisture, not getting enough moisture per se, it's not good for your hair. It's not going to give you that smooth, beautiful, healthy hair that you want. So while going for your hair growth oils, also go for things that can lock in moisture in your hair, that can retain moisture. So you could use aloe vera gel. You could use a leave-in conditioner from various hair care lines. You could make your own leave-in conditioner. Just you need to invest in moisturizer. If you guys have made it this far and you still haven't subscribed to this video, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share it with your friends. You all know sharing is caring. See you guys next time. Love you. Mwah.
All I need are some better days, 'cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.